GardenCAD is designed to be template driven. If you click on the File and New option, you'll be presented with this Select Template drawing. And if we pick, say, the Formal Design one, that gives us a pre-drawn design. We could remove all of the information regarding the house and you'd put your own house footprint down. But the important thing to realise is that in CAD you are drawing full size. So any inquiry that we make of this drawing should give answers that mean something to us as a builder or a constructor of that design. So if we use the measure tool and we said we're going to specify as the first point the end of the boundary line, so I'm measuring the boundary across the back of the site and I get 17,000. So that means that the site is 17 meters wide. This happens to be the metric version of GardenCAD that I'm using. So it's a full size. It's as though the drawing is a full size model of what you would see if you walked around in that design. So the same would apply to the diameter of the circle that runs through there. I won't do it precisely by snapping, but you can see that it's about 2,250 in diameter across there. So it's really important that you understand that you design a full size. If you go to the library and the plant selector and you pick, say, the generic group, and we'll bring in, let's pick a circular symbol. This will do symbol 5, and I'll insert it. When we bring it in and drop it down, let's imagine it's going to be planted near some artwork that's going to be installed there. Now if I use the measure command and measure it across there, you can see that's 670 across. Most of our symbols are close to a meter. That one seems to be a little bit smaller. Let's take another one, generic, and we'll scroll down and insert it. You can see it's come in a little bigger, and if we measure the diameter across from there to there, we get somewhere near a meter in size. So we're trying to give you symbols that will be sort of the average size for planting. If I want to change the size, let's imagine that represented a much smaller species. I can click it, select it, and pick scale, indicate the base point in the middle, and just sort of drag out. So what I've now done is scale that down. So that's fine for symbols, you scale them up or down, but any inquiry of lines or arcs or circles that represent hardscape elements that you're going to put in the drawing should give you numbers that mean something to you as a designer stroke constructor.